Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Well, Northeast Ohio October, it's getting cold, but what's that mean? It means tailgate food. So today we're gonna do some Jonesville Brats, simmered in beer, and then cooked on the grill, put in a sandwich with some hot sauerkraut. So stick around, because this is gonna be tasty. All right, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna throw a cast iron skillet on and add enough beer so it floats uphill and I can cover those brats. Now we're gonna just take the brats and lay them in. I got the grill on high, both sides. We're gonna leave it that way and bring this beer up to a boil. And then we're gonna simmer it for a few minutes. Brats in beer. I'm gonna pull them out, throw them on the coals or on the other side, and we're gonna get our sauerkraut rolling. And I'm telling you, man, if you never had sauerkraut brats, you haven't lived. I'll bring you back in a few minutes when everything heats up. All right, it's been 10 minutes, and check them out. Look at how much they plumped up. That's just soaking up all that good beer. I guess on a Saturday or a Sunday, game day, soaking up all that good beer is a good thing, right? So we're gonna give these a flip. I'm rolling right about 450 degrees on this grill, and I'm good with that because we want to get these good and hot, and then I want to put them on direct. Let me get this lid down so we can boil them a little bit longer, and I'll bring you back when we throw them on the grill. All right, let's get these brats on the grill. Like I said, I have this one on high too, so I can just take them, sizzle, and throw them right on here. Today, well, every time I do brats, I do Jonesville Brats, because in my book, they're the best tasting out there, and they're consistent every time. So, regular can of sauerkraut, maybe. All right, there it goes, right in that cast iron skillet. And it's not going to take long for all this to happen, which is great because I want to get back into the game. I'm going to close the lid for a minute, and I'll bring you back when I flip them. All right, I took my Jonesville Brats out. I'm using Jonesville Brats because those are my favorite. I got the sauerkraut in the beer already. We're going to give it a stir. I just put it in a few seconds ago. And I got everything on high right now. So these brats are going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to turn the sauerkraut down to low because it's about done anyhow. Oh, look at that. That's what you want right there. Nice char marks on there. It won't be long now. We'll get back into the game. All right, one thing with brats is they will flare up, but look at how nice we got this going. I want to give this a stir because this skillet was really hot. I'm going to stack these on the back just so I can get some grill marks on the bottom side there. And again, if you don't like Jonesville or if you want something else, get something else. But I like these. You can do the same thing with thinking hot dog, possum, raccoon, whatever you want. It's good. Okay, I'm going to flip these one more time. See the juice starting to come out of there? I'm going to roll them all the way away from that corner. We'll take this one and switch it off just to even out the temperature here. And I'm going to lean that one up there and get the bottom side. Look at that kraut boiling in there. That beer's just about all cooked off. That's not going to stay up. Well, we're trying, that's for sure. There we go. That beer's about all cooked up out of there. Look at how that got dark. I didn't add butter. I didn't add anything. And literally, unless there's gluten in beer, This meal is going to be gluten-free except for the bun, and if you don't want a bun, don't eat one. But I sure heck am. Another 5 minutes at the most, and I'll bring you back, and we'll try one of these out. All right, let's make one of these brats. Doesn't that look good? I'm just using a regular hot dog bun because that's what I had in the house. But I want to get some bunch of this sauerkraut on there right off the rip. Make a nice bed of sauerkraut. On top of that, I'm going to use my favorite mustard, which is the Golden's mustard, spicy brown. And I think a brat needs that heavy mustard to go with it. We'll put that one in this bun right here and get these off the grill because they are done. Now tell me that's not a beautiful sight right there. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, holy crap. That was hot, but it is good. Get out, make yourself some brats, a little bit of sauerkraut, and some hot mustard, and you're good to go. And I'm going back in and watching the rest of the game. So, I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do.